Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. It is that time again. Let's open it up and see what we've got from TEMU. Now I've ordered some stuff from work, but I've also ordered some craft stuff. So who knows what we're going to find in this package. I kind of know what's in here. Like, it's not like I go and order stuff that I have no clue. I actually specifically know all the pieces that are in here. Well, let's see if we get anything half decent. At work, I don't drink enough water, so I ordered this because I often don't wear things that have pockets in them either, and I have to carry my phone with me in case of an emergency. So now I have got one of these little bags. I can pop my phone in the bottom of it as well, and I can carry it around with me as I walk around. So that is going to come in absolute. It's going to be very handy. I did have an elastic thing that went around my phone, but I found that just was not cutting the mustard. I got a few more molds. So these molds are really quite cool. They're very, very squishy. Right, I love these. I use them for so many different things in my crafting. I just can't get enough of them at the moment. So here's another one with a little beautiful little flowers. They make beautiful earrings. I picked up a couple of, sorry about the rustling. Rustle? Can you hear the rustle? So if you're interested, I've got a whole ton of plants in the house at the moment. A lot of different succulents, little spider plants that I want to give away as gifts. And these are going to make the perfect little holders. A little bit smaller than what I was expecting, but I think these are going to look amazing. So you'll get to see what's in the mold on that one a little bit later in the channel. Got some shells. Again, lots of different molds in here. I'm also creating a little bit of soap, so I love the idea of making your own soap, and this mold looked lovely because it's got like this nice little swirl at the top. To the side. I wanted to have a desk mat for my desk at work, so I tried to organise some products that were very similar that I could use at my work desk. But this one here is just a nice little floral mat that I can have on the bench for where I have my laptop. I'll take that to work with me tomorrow and get that set up at my desk. Here's another little mould. It's a shame these keep coming in plastic, but I get it. Okay, so that's a what's in the mould. I organised myself some of these little clips for when I'm doing journals. See how they go. They're plastic. They might be all right. Hopefully they'll do the job. And I ordered these gorgeous little pins for work as well. So on my bulletin board, as you can see, I've got the mat for my laptop, and I've got these as push pins for the board this year. Better put all my timetables up and get really organised. Now this is interesting, the way that they've packaged this. Have a look. Oh, I know. Sorry, it's just because they packaged it in a really weird way. I believe that this is, yep, it is a skin that I'm going to use on my laptop for this year. Again, going with the really pretty colour theme. So I'll have to get my laptop out later and cover that one over. So it's just a bit of contact kind of stuff that goes over the laptop. I've got stickers all over it at the moment, and I like to change it up each year. I'm looking forward to this mold. This one's an owl planter, so that's going to look really, really cute as well. All right, we're getting at the bottom here. Speaking about molds, I wanted to try and see what it was like to make your own. So I bought some silicone rubber for mold making. So you mix these two parts together and it makes a bit of a putty, and then you can push something into that and it will make a mold of it for you. So that's going to be fun to play with. I have got some shimmer powder to put into my molds to see if I can get some shimmery effects. It's a bit like mica powder, I guess. It's not quite mica powder, they call it something else. And these are the same. So these ones are like holographic type ones. You can see come and shimmer in those. I'm going to have a play with those with some of the resin and also the resin crete that I have and see what they produce. Here's another soap mold. Now, when it comes to soap making, you're probably going to have a lot more than one mold. So I wanted to see what this looked like before I went back and maybe ordered some more. But it's a massage soap mold. So again, you need a few more of these if you're going to go into something significant. But that was more of a taster just to see. This is some bulletin board. I won't get it out. It's just a lot of pencils that you can put around the outside of your bulletin board. So that's going to go around my bulletin board tomorrow when I go back into work. I also have some incentive stickers for kids. And lastly, we've got something for myself. Not that none of this wasn't for myself, but it's I liked the look of these, and it's a bit of a sort of bohemian, is it how you say it? Bracelet. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. I like that. Happy. Something a little bit different. Keep that on and see what it's like. So that is my haul for today. So a bit of crafting stuff. Majority of it though is for work, so I'll be able to take that back inside. And I think later today I'm going to have a little play at cracking out some of these molds and seeing what I can get out of those. Very exciting. I love it when you get new molds, and I hope you do too. It's nice to see what it is that you can actually make out of this one. This one's like a little crocheted planter. It's got like a crochet pattern on it, or a knitted pattern. Again, the pictures make it look so much bigger, but it is certainly big enough for you to have something like a little succulent plant inside there. So thanks for sticking around and watching the TEMU unboxing. And I will catch you in the next video. Until then, keep crafting. I'll see you soon. Bye.